How to get donation button and please donate Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guided video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you get donation button and please donate. To begin with, open up a browser, type in roblox.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on create in the top of the page. This is where the interface is going to look like. And here, you simply want to make sure to scroll down. So here, click on dashboard from the top of the page. And next, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit. And here you have the place. You want to click on the place that you have. And then you want to go to places once again. After which, scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see passes. You want to click that out and click on create pass. As you do it, so you could go and upload the image. You could go ahead and give a name. And you could also add a description if you want. Click on create pass. As you've done it, so you've successfully created a pass. Now then, what next you want to do is once again go to this section. Here, make sure to click on seal, add an item or add a number in order to sell it, and click on seal. That you've added the item for sale, you could then be able to create a please donate. You could then be able to add donations. So this is how it's actually worked. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.